Hello everybody, it's time for another tick or fix. And today we've got quite a tricky one. We're going to be looking at money problems, specifically finding the change. The questions are up on the screen now. Pause the video, read through those questions, and when you're ready, press play and we will tick or fix. So the strategy I'm going to use is going to have 5 steps. Step 1 is going to be to read the question really carefully. Step 2 is to figure out how much change Amy would have after spending the different amounts that she spends. Step 3 is to figure out how much there is in each purse. Step 4 is to choose the purse that matches the change that Amy would have. And step 5 is to check our answer. Step 1, reading the question really carefully. Tick the purse that shows the money Amy has left. There's 2 things to notice here. The first one, it says tick, which means that we don't circle our answer and we don't underline our answer, we must tick our answer. And I've drawn some little squares where I will tick the answer that is correct. The next thing to notice is that it talks about the money that Amy has left. Now, if you spend some money and you have something left, you need to subtract. For example, if I have 50p and I spend 10p on sweets, I have 40p left. 50 take away 10 equals 40. Let's have a look at the first question. Amy has 50p. She buys a pencil for 30p. So step 2 was to calculate how much change Amy would have. She starts with 50p and she spends 30p on a pencil. So we need to do 50 subtract 30. 50 in our head and count backwards 3 tens. So 50, 40, 30, 20. 20p. So if Amy has 50p and she spends 30p on a pencil, she has 20p left. Step 3, look at the purses and see how much money there is in each. Here we have 5p, 5p, that's 10p, add 10, 20. There's 20p in this purse. In this purse we have 20p, add 20p. There's 40p in that purse. Step 4, which one is the right answer? Step 5 is to check my answer. 50 take away 30 equals 20. There's 20p, 10, 15, 20. There's 20p in that purse. That must be the right purse. How do you get on with that? Tick or fix? Question 2 then. Amy has £1. Now £1 is the same as 100 pence. Amy has £1. She buys a rubber for 20p. Step 2 is to find out the change. So if she has £1 or 100 pence and she spends 20 pence, we need to do 100 take away 20. So 20 is 2 tens. 100 in our head and count backwards 2 tens. So 100 take away 10, 90, take away another 10, 80. So she has 80p. She has £1 to begin with, spends 20p, and she's got 80p left. Step 3, let's look at how much money is in each purse. 50p, 60, 70p in that one. In this one there's 50, 60, 70, 80p. Step 4, which one is the correct answer? And step 5 is to check my answer. So Amy has £1 or 100 pence. She spends 20p, so 100 take away 20 equals 80. So that means she has 80p left. This purse had 70p, so it's not that one. This purse had 80 pence, so that was the right one. Let's have a look at the next question. Amy has £1 or 100 pence. She buys a ball for 20p and a teddy bear for 50p. So she buys two things. So this question is a little bit more difficult. She started with £1, which is the same as 100 pence. These are in pence, so let's subtract from 100. Step 2, figure out the change. 100, subtract 20. Put 100 in your head and take away 2 tens. 90, 80. She also bought a teddy for 50 pence. So put 80 in your head and subtract 5 tens, because there are 5 tens in 50. 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. 30 pence. And she has 30 pence left. Let's have a look at the purses and how much money there is in each. This one has 50 pence. This one has 20, add 5, 25 pence. This one has 10, 20, 30 pence. And this one has 20, 5, add 1, 26 pence. Which one is the right answer then? Step 5, check my answer. 100 pence, because that's the same as £1. Take away 20 equals 80. 80 take away 50 is 70, 60, 50, 40, 30 pence. 10, 20, 30 pence. That looks right to me. And now for our last question. Amy buys a toy for £4. She had £20. So the order of this question is different. So she had £20 altogether and she bought a toy for £4. Step 2 is to think about the change. So 20 to start with, subtract 4, 19, 18, 17, 16 pounds left. Now let's have a look at our purses. This one has 10, 15, 16. This one has 10, 15, 16. Oh, I wonder what the difference is between these two then. And this one has 20, 2, 4, 24. That number's got bigger than 20, so that one can't be right. It must be one of these two. Which one is the right answer? It's this one, because this is pence and Amy had £20 and spent £4 and had £16 left. There's £16 in this purse. How did you get on? Those were quite tricky, weren't they? Let me know how you're doing. All the best then, see you later, bye bye.